Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Saurav. Today I have come up with some new uh, Udemy courses along with practice test. You can say today's video is full power pack where I have included so many practice tests, so many courses with different verticals, HR, then IT, programming, data, AI, and so on. So please be till the end of the video. So let's get started. So today we have first course, which is a LPI Linux Essential Certification Exam Practice Exam, and it includes two practice tests. And this is a premium course. You can see it's a free of cost, and it includes more than 80 questions. Moving next, we have our one of the common or demanded examination from AWS. It includes more than 400 questions to prepare, clear your doubt, boost your confidence. This AWS Certified Solutions Architect Associate Practice exam will help you boost your knowledge. Next, we have AWS Certified Solutions Architect Professional, which is the upper version of the previous exam, which is the associate. It includes almost 400 questions, and this will help you boost your knowledge as well. Next, we have AI 102 Microsoft Azure AI Engineer Associate Practice Exam. This will help you to bring your knowledge and get you prepared for the next certification, which is Microsoft Azure AI Engineer Associate Certification. Includes more than 150 questions. Next, we have another practice test, which is Google Cloud Platform Associate Cloud Engineer. It includes 1500 questions, which is a very vast questions are there. You can prepare yourself for the upcoming your examination, or if you are learning a GCP ACE examination. Next, we have if you are AWS user or a cloud and DevOps engineer or a developer on AWS, if you want to know more about AWS serverless architecture, AWS Lambda, DynamoDB, and leverage these tools, so this 3 hours course will definitely going to help you, and it will give you one article, and after the course completion, you will rewarded with a certificate of completion. Next, we have advanced RPA Microsoft Power Automate with AI Builder, which is from Microsoft low code, no code platform, and it will help you to bring your knowledge on Microsoft Power Automate. Okay, moving next. Sorry. So moving next, we have a uh, Microsoft Teams course. If you want to know more about Microsoft Teams, this course is going to help you for Microsoft Teams, along with Microsoft Office 365, SharePoint, and etc. So you may register to this course. This includes 8 hours on-demand video, and this will also help you to prepare yourself Microsoft 365 Teams Administrator, which is MS 700 examination. Next, moving to the data analysis. If you are a data analysis analyst or want to be data analyst, this Python for data analysis course will help you build your knowledge with data analysis with Python. Includes more than 434 hours on demand video. Next, we have another data science and AI mastery basics to a deployment course. Includes more than 3 hours on demand video, two articles, two downloadable resources. And I believe this course will help you to work with real projects, labs, and deployment skills to boost your knowledge on this career. Next, we have a set course, we can say that is a NumPy, Pandas, Python, all-in-one Python data analysis complete guide that includes 4 hours, more than 4 hours on-demand video, and it includes 34 lectures and 6 sections, and obviously a certificate of completion is always there. Next, we have Python for data science, Python programming, and data analysis. This includes more 6 hours on demand video, 17 coding exercises, assignments, articles, downloadable resources, role play, and certificate of completion. This is a power pack course, you can say, and since it is a premium course as well from Udemy. Sorry. Python for data science. If you are a Hindi learner or you know Hindi, then this is the course for you. You can learn Python with data science in Hindi. You can learn NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, and Seaborn. These tools will be included on this course. It has more than 6 hours on-demand video, 17 coding exercises, 4 articles, and one downloadable resources. Next, we have advanced Excel course for job and real world. If you want to know more about Microsoft Excel, this course is going to help you. It includes more than 4 hours course time, one article, one downloadable resources. Next, if you are again a Hindi learner and wants to know more about Microsoft Excel, this training video is going to help you out with 10 hours course time, includes 20 downloadable resources. This will boost your knowledge with Microsoft Excel. Then we have another course here, which is SQL, MySQL, PostgreSQL, MongoDB, all in one database course. You will be able to learn all about database. It includes 6 hours on demand video, and you will be having 58 lectures here, and you can be awarded with a certificate of completion once you complete the certificate course. We have another practice test, or you can say the preparation for your interview. This includes more than 100 questions about Python, so you may check this out as well. Next, we have complete Java programming bootcamp. You can learn Java from beginner to expert. Includes more than 4 hours on demand course time, and obviously at the end you will get a certificate of completion. Node.js crash course. If you are looking for a Node.js application course, want to build a REST API, so this course will help you. This is a short course, more than 2 hours on demand video is there. So I believe you can get this course and you can learn Node.js. Next, we have React crash course from zero to hero. This will give you a best understanding about React, and it includes 20 hours, 21 hours on demand video, role play, coding exercises, articles, downloadable resources, and certificate of completion. So please go check this out course. I hope this will help you. Next, we have React.js with AI chatbot built with ChatGPT and Gemini and DeepSeek. This course includes more than 10 hours on demand video, downloadable resources, and certificate of completion is as always, and role play is also there. Please go check this out course, and I hope this will help you. So when you are like preparing for React.js, Node.js, so JavaScript is the backbone. So you must know the JavaScript in order to know in these languages. So if you have any doubt or want to revise JavaScript, this course is for you. This has 2 hours short course. It will be best for you to understand, revise yourself, learn the JavaScript, and complete the course and get a certificate of completion. If you are a like more to AI, this TensorFlow will help you understanding more about AI, neural networks to advanced models. This course includes 6 hours, more than 6 hours on the on-demand video time. So you may check this out, this course as well. If you're eager to learn PHP, this masterclass of PHP, more than 3 hours on-demand video, is going to help you out, boost your knowledge on PHP. If you want to know more about this Windsurf tool, and this is a AI coding crash course. This will give you a vibe coding, which is a trending topic nowadays. So you can also learn this thing. Includes 5 hours on-demand video and a role play. When we are working with a DevOps, so we might have heard Agile and Scrum. So if you will know about Agile and Scrum basics, so I hope this will help us to understand more about those. This includes more than 5 hours course time, articles, and 91 downloadable resources. This is a power pack course for Agile, I could say. So please go and check out this course as well. If you are preparing for TOEFL 9, this complete question sets includes 363 questions will help you prepare as a practice test for your upcoming examination. If you are preparing for TOJA Enterprise Architecture examination, this practice test includes 95 questions, will definitely going to help you boost your knowledge. If you are preparing for CISM Certified Information Security Manager examination, so these 750 questions will boost your knowledge towards your upcoming certification. If you are preparing for CISA, which is Certified Information System Auditor examination or certification, these 726 questions will help you boost your knowledge. Next, we have CRISC Certified in Disk and Information System Control Examination or the certification. This includes more than 700 questions. This will help you to understand more about your gaps and you can gain more confidence. Next, if you are looking for to know more about AI tools, this course is going to help you with ChatGPT, Midjourney, Gemini, Firefly, and so on. And this includes more than 32 hours course time. So please go and check out this course time. Next, we have complete AI course for the professionals. It is free. It is having 11 hours plus zero point 0.5 hours on-demand video. I hope this will help you out. Next, we have DeepSeek AI complete guide to DeepSeek plus 20 plus 2 AI tools are there. 36 plus hours for on-demand time, assets, assignments, articles, role play, downloadable resources, and certificate of completion is as always. Next, we have another course for AI, Advanced AI course 2025, ChatGPT, Midjourney, Gemini, Firefly, same 31 hours course time is there. Please go and check this out course as well. Next, we have zero to hero LangChain and build Gen AI apps using LangChain. This course includes more than 5 hours on-demand video and 2 articles and 17 downloadable resources. Please go and check this out, this course as well. Okay, so moving ahead, we have another course which is a Master in Agile HR courses. So if you are in the HR domain or like aspiring HR, so this course will help you. That includes more than 10 hours on demand video course, and I hope this is going to help you out knowing more about Agile and HR thing. Master in Human Resource Management and SHRM, which includes free course, and it has more than 6 hours course time, so you may check this out as well. Next, we have fundamental. If you are in stock market, this course may help you in equity, share, and stock analysis to build your wealth. This includes 3 hours course time, may help you in some cases. And this is another stock market course, which is investing and options. So if you are more to options and investing, so you may try this course. This includes 3 hours course time. Maybe they have some strategies you may try. Then we have Tally Prime Basic to Advanced GST, Payroll, TDS, and more things are there. It includes more than 24 hours course. I hope this will help you boost your knowledge. Next, we have complete pack of Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint course. That includes more than 7 hours course time, and I believe that will help you out. If you are a project manager, if you want to know more about Agile, Scrum, SAP, and Jira, this course includes more than 7 hours course time. It will help you bring your knowledge on project management. Next, if you are learner of SolidWorks, this course is a complete course for SolidWorks. You can build your tools and designs, 2D profiles, and etc. So here it has more than 8 hours course time. So this is going to help you out. So here I end today's video where I have covered multiple courses, includes multiple different domains. If you have liked this course and like this video, please hit a like button. And if you want to like add some comments, so there's the comment box is there below the video, so you can put your comment. And if you have yet not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel because I generally put daily Udemy free courses alerts, which are premium courses. I give them a limited time free offer with a coupon code added in the URL. And I generally put free certification alerts so you can find them out. So thank you for watching my video. See you on the next video. Thanks.